Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll continue our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to test of mathematics. So we'll take a look at the question, try to understand which are the questions that are generally asked in this examination and what our ideal approach should be towards tackling each and every one of those. So let's take a look at the question over here. An isosceles triangle with base 6 centimeter and base angle 30 degree is inscribed in a circle. Okay. A second circle touches the first circle and also touches the base of the triangle at its midpoint. Okay, it touches at its midpoint. If the second circle is situated outside the triangle, then its radius, we need to find the radius of the second circle. So let's do one thing. See, this is our first circle. Okay, and now we need an isosceles triangle over here. This is our isosceles triangle, and here we have the second circle. So it touches at midpoint. So let this be H, base angle 30 and 30, base angles are 30, so they are equal. So this angle should be 120 then. So this is 60 since it touches at the midpoint. So this both will be 60 degree. Now, having said that, let's do one thing. Let R be the radius of big circle. Okay, and H be the entire length, that way H be the length of dotted line. Okay, so therefore H by sine 30 is equal to 3 by sine 60, because base angle is of 6 centimeters, so both this will be 3 centimeter 3 centimeter. Okay, so this we can further write, therefore H can be written as 3 into 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So this will be cancelled, so therefore H would come out to be root 3. So now let R be the radius of the big circle. So radius of big circle simply be 6 by 2 sine 120 degree. We can write it that way. So it can be further given as 3 by root 3 by 2. So that is 2 root 3. So therefore radius of small circle will be given by twice R minus H. Okay, twice R minus H. So simply because twice R will be the radius and H will be the height of the triangle. So if we do that, what we have here is that by 2. So okay, so we get the diameter, so we'll get the radius, right? We need by 2. So line of basically height of the triangle. Okay, so if we do the same, what we get here is R minus H by 2, that is R being 2 root 3 and this will be root 3 by 2. If we further solve the same, what we have here is 4 root 3, so 3 root 3 by 2. So here option A is our answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solving the same. So it was a fairly simple question. So all we needed was a basic observation result. So in case you are having difficulty, make sure you go through the video as many times as you feel comfortable enough to solve this question. So with that said, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So we'll continue our discussion of this topic in the subsequent video as well, where we be coming with more topics more questions such as this. So to give you a clear idea of the same. So with that said, we have come to the end of the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.